Ever wondered how to get a Salik toll waiver in the UAE? It's easier than you think. Let me break it down for you. Eligibility criteria: Dubai, people of determination with a valid card. Senior Emiratis, retired Emiratis. Emiratis with limited income. Eligibility criteria: Abu Dhabi, senior Emiratis, people of determination. Emiratis with low income, retired Emiratis, required documents. Dubai, vehicle registration card, valid Emirates ID. People of determination card or Sanad card, proof of relationship for relatives. Required documents, Abu Dhabi. Emirates ID. Vehicle number plate details. Credit debit card information, active phone number and email. Application process Dubai via Salik website or email. Website. Method: visit www.salik.gov.ae, log in or create an account. Navigate to requests. Submit request, select exemption request. Fill in vehicle details and upload documents, submit the request. Email. Method: download the commitment form from the Salik website. Fill out the form and gather required documents. Email the form and documents to special accounts at salik.ae. Application process, Abu Dhabi, via DARB website or app. Website method: visit the DARB website or download the DARB mobile application, log in or create an account. Navigate to requests. Submit request, select exemption request. Fill in vehicle details and upload documents. Submit the request. Processing time: approximately 5 working days. Validity: exemption is valid for 1 year and must be renewed annually. Contact information: Dubai. Salik, phone 800 Salik 72545, email customer service at salik.ae. Abu Dhabi. DARB, phone 800-850, email customer.care@itsi.gov.ae. Now you can drive stress-free without worrying about tolls. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Pyramid Bell.